Hi, this is AUDCHF and today it's Sunday, 4th of August 2019, before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for my YouTube fxholics. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. I will give you only a buy signal for the pair. We had a very big fall. Even if the price goes below, moves below this spike here, most possibly it will make a correction within an upward correction within the month, and the month is still at its beginning. So it's not a good idea to sell from the bottom. If we want to ride this downtrend, and if this downtrend continues, we should enter from a higher level. So on weekly, it looks like the price has exhausted its bearish potential for now. I say this because there is a small spike at the bottom of the candlestick, which is above this down spike here, this huge spike weeks ago. On daily, of course, there is the picture of an extremely aggressive funnel, a bearish funnel, a breakout in progress. But on H4, the Kijun-sen is turning flat. Of course, we want to see Tenkan-sen close to the price, which is not. But something looks like it is changing, because we had this big down spike, a fractal now, a down fractal below the lower Bollinger Band, and the upper Bollinger Band, the edge of the upper Bollinger Band starts to turn flat. If it turns flat, this funnel will be broken, the correlation pattern, and that may be the beginning of an upward correction. On H1, it looks like the price wants to make the effort to go up, so I will give you a buy signal from M30 time frame. M30 will be the time frame of entry. When you see a strong bullish candlestick closing at the level of 0.6785, don't place a pending order. Wait to see the candlestick, the body of the candlestick closing there, the next one being bullish. You don't wait for the second candlestick for the next one to close, but you want it to be bullish when you enter. And median Bollinger Band sloping upwards, upper and lower Bollinger Bands edges in a bullish correlation pattern, Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, Kijun-sen, the blue line, and Chikou-span, the green line, all three above the Kumo in proper bullish order, with Tenkan-sen and Chikou-span sloping upwards, and the leading Kumo being bullish, not bearish as it is right now, with both edges sloping upwards. And stochastics confirming this move. Then place your buy order at the level of 0.6785, or maybe a few pips higher or lower, and your take profit and your stop loss can be placed below the lower Bollinger Bands curve and the lowest most recent down fractal on M30 at 0.6656, which means you will be entering with a risk of 128 pips, and you can place your take profit target at the level of 0.6920, which is a very nice profit of 134 pips. And I will stop here, and we will reevaluate the situation and the trade and the pair as soon as this move happens. If it happens, many things may change, and we may reevaluate the market's condition. Just make sure that all the entry criteria are met before you enter. If one is missing, stay out. Thanks for watching and happy pips.